Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to print a human face using stars. So let's get started. Now we start with hash include iostream.h. It is a basic input output function, and hash include conio.h which maintains the functions like CLR, SAR and getch. Now we head out to define a class naming design. Now in this class we have uh, two categories in which variables are defined under private. I use int n, and under public space I will define a function naming as follows, like void design void dis of int. It is the basic definition, basic prototype kind of thing, and we end the class here. Now I define void main function, void main of void. Now I define a variable naming int a, and I try to instantiate our class with an object naming dis1. Now this is the basic line to clear the screen whenever we write a new program. Like whenever the program is run once again, it will clear this basic screen, and print cout \n, enter the number of lines. This basically means that how many lines our human face should be. Now I take that entry into the variable a. Now I instantiate the object created with the class function dis of the integer value a. Now it will print the our required human face. Now I print getch so that it will hold the output for a period of time. Whenever we press any other key, it will go. Now we define the function void design double colon dis of int n. Int a. It is basically a mistake. I will be correcting in the last of this video, and this is the basic syntax of writing the function which we have defined inside the class. And we use the two variables like int I comma j. Now these I and j are used for horizontal and vertical traversal, and I print the statement watch a human face at the starting itself, because at the bottom of this we get our human face. Now I start a for loop for horizontal traversal, I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now for j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus for the vertical traversal. J less than n, j plus plus. Now opening the for loop of this, and we need to print the exact shape of the human, like the outline of the human face. So we use logical OR statement like double OR, and for the end, like we have the edges like I equal to 0 and I equal to n minus 1. We print stars only at those places, and this is for horizontal lines. Now for vertical lines we use j double equal to 0, double OR with j double equal to n minus 1. Now at these places we need to print star. cout less than star. Close the, now end the statement, and else if, and where else we need to print star. Now we need to print star at for the eyes, like to print left eye and right eye. Now we use a straight line I double equal to n by 8. This basically means that we are traveling in the as seen from the figure, like we are traveling in n by 4, and we divide the horizontal, like we divide the vertical strips into 4 parts, and at the first part we have 2 eyes, and we divide the horizontal sheets also into 8 parts, so that we get better symmetry, and we use j greater than or equal to n by 8 and double and with j less than or equal to 3n by 8. This means we are printing the left eye of a human being, and for printing the right eye we need to be in the same I double equal to n by 4 line, and for j greater than or equal to 5n by 8 and double and with j less than or equal to 7n by 8. Now here we need to print another starred line, so that it will represent our right eye of the human face. As I was using, we need to use more brackets so that the conditional operator is properly attached. Now we need to, and at this place also we need to print star. Now printing star at this place, C out less than star. Now the eyes are over. Now we need to print the nose of the person. So we will be sticking on to the printing the vertical line j double equal to n by 2. That is at the center of our human face. And for I greater than or equal to, now we have already used I equal to n by 4. The next 8th quarter of that I equal to n by 4 is 3n by 8. And from 3n by 8 to 5n by 8 we are printing a vertical straight line which will print our nose. Now we need to print C out star. Now the last thing is we need to print the mouth of a person. Here we have 3 segments, basically a horizontal line and 2 vertical lines attached at the edges of this horizontal line. Now for the horizontal line we use I double equal to 7n by 8, which will be just above our I double equal to n minus 1, and from there j greater than or equal to n by 4 double and with j less than or equal to 3n by 4. It is basically symmetrical to the n by 2th point, so it will spread evenly along the n by 2 at the left side and right side. Now we need to print 2 vertical lines, one at j equal to n by 4 and other at j double equal to 3n by 4. At j double equal to n by 4 For that we need to have the like ith values varying from 5n by 8 to to I double equal to so I less than or equal to 7n by 8. This basically means that we are printing the left vertical line attached to the edge of this horizontal mouth face, and the same is to be printed for j double equal to 3n by 4. So we use double R and j double equal to 3n by 4. Now double and with I greater than or equal to 5n by 8 and I less than or equal to 7n by 8. Actually this statement can be printed in a single form, but it would be better if we print in this format so that we can learn more how to print a face. Now here we need to print cout star at these places. Now for the other part of the figure, like other part of the face, we need to make it as a empty space, so we print else cout space. Now we end the jth for loop, and now here we need to add a backslash n. Like for every jth for loop being ended, we need to go on to the next line. This is very important because it will bring the perfect human face shape. Now we end the for ith for loop. Now we end the whole program, and now we compile the code. It says statement missing. Also I forgot to print a semicolon at this second else if statement. Now I am printing it. Okay. Now we will compile. It says one warning, parameter a is never used. So this is at the line 45. That means that I have not been using the 8th parameter. That means so let us check, and it is not coming. So we will check back with our code. So here I have printed void design and design int n. It should be n, so that the code will run correctly. Now we are compiling. Now running the code, entering the lines 20. Now here you can see that one line is coming at the starting of the code. This may be a problem, so we need to correct this by entering a backslash and after this watch a human face print straight line. Not at this place, but at the void design int n place. Now backslash n, closing the bracket, and now compiling and running it, entering number of lines as 21. We get a human face. So that's it guys. Here from this tutorial you can learn how to build a human face. Thanks for watching.